Hello gamers! Today a very short unboxing video for this Be Quiet Pure Wings 2, a 140mm PC fan. Why we chose exactly such a fan? Quite simple. This is well priced and looks great. We didn't watch any videos which are about who actually makes the best PC fans before making a purchase. Not even a video about how to choose the best fan for your PC build. This was a spontaneous idea. Well, what do we get for these $15? In the first place, already a 3-year warranty, but I have never brought any fans for the repair. Well, but have you ever brought any fan for warranty repairs? The other side of the box has 3 main features, a perfect choice for, and this is a specification if anyone cares about that stuff. Let's see what we have inside, even though we can't expect much from $15. Here's the fan itself, and looks that there is nothing else in the box. Actually, wait a minute, I think I see something. We found screws to screw in the fan housing. And here is the fan itself, whose design appealed to me. Doesn't it look nice when it turns? This is also what Be Quiet Pure Wings 2 is, and here is not much to show or see, as in all PC case fans, but maybe with a slightly different constructive look. And the fan itself uses a standard 3-pin fan connector. I definitely recommend using a fan controller to get the best compromise between airflow and sound level. In my system, this fan is the quietest thing. The hard drive is even louder. Not a bad choice at this price. So, if you have any good 120 on 140mm fan recommendations, feel free to comment below. We'll be happy to look into them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to look in our channel where there are many good DIY tutorials and audio tests. Don't forget to subscribe so we can meet you in longer videos. Bye.